So we are checking this wheel here. The nozzle is having problems here. When we put the pressure, we are finding that the pressure is getting out very quickly. So this is Ruby's Cantafu. This place is known as Ruby's. And that's where they are repairing my wheel so that I can get my journey back. I had gone for treatment there. I can even see Cantafu is very, very big nowadays. So we are trying to put a nozzle because the pressure is not working so well. The wheel is losing pressure very fast. So we put the nozzle now. So I'll show you the way you're putting the nozzle. So repairing this wheel. So we are removing the old nozzle. Then this is the machine. You can see the machine to remove the old nozzle. I don't know what it is called. Hiyo machine inaitwa nini? Hii machine inaitwa nini? Road? Ya kutoa miguu. So he's talking about the road work or something, I don't know. Yeah? Yes, there are various machines here. So this one which repairs wheels. Like now we are putting a new nozzle. Okay, as he's going to do, he wants to put a nozzle. We have removed the one which was there. And the machine which was doing that work is there. You see the machine. Hiyo jina ya machine hii ni ngumu. Ate umeita nini? Roadback. Roadback. Nimeona pale. So the machine is known as a roadback. And it is the one which removes wheels. Like now we are putting the nozzle. The camera is misbehaving. Why are you misbehaving when we are almost through? All right, the camera was turning. All right, and we are putting the nozzle now. You can see the process is being pulled. Today, why are you not behaving well? I wanted to show the process, but process. What did I end up? Oh, it is light, which is not there. So, we have already put the nozzle, and you can see now, we want now to put the pressure. I think, or something like that. So we are changing the nozzle. Okay. But my camera was misbehaving. So look at the process now there. The way it's putting the pressure. Maybe we will not have this problem again. So now we are fixed. We are now going back to he is going to measure the wheel now. Okay. The pressure of the wheel, then he is going to come back and we see the wheel. So we are now fixing the wheel now. Inageuka ovyo ovyo. And when we are almost through and the camera is misbehaving. We are trying to return the wheel back, but the way the camera is behaving is queer. Camera yangu ina misbehave. So nafikiria ni hii kitu haina moto. Hata simpigi, napiga hii the wheel. I'm interested with the wheel. Yes, simpigi.